the story. I put a poll on my Instagram. Do you want to see a rose themed skeleton or a leopard themed skeleton? Guess which one won? The leopard. The leopard, guys. Anyway, this is one of my favorite themes to do. Of all the makeup looks I did, I always love the color. If you were to ask me in real life what my favorite color is, I'm going to tell you rainbow. But today, I'm going to show you how to do this leopard rainbow skeleton. Nailed it. This is actually a really easy look to do. It's a total of like 5 pigments. They all came from Give Face Cosmetics, and then maybe like some darker colors to shade with, but there's only a few simple steps that you repeat on your face and on your body, or you can even just do your face if you just have something else to wear. I'm actually really excited. I had this look planned for a long time, so I'm glad the leopard one won the voting poll. But anyway, guys, we're gonna jump right into this makeup tutorial. If you're as excited as I am for this makeup, please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. Now, no more horsing around. Let's get right into the video and let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is sketch out all the skull features on my face, and then I'm gonna paint my whole face white, hoping that my sketch is gonna come through. It's gonna be like a medium gray sketch, so it'll probably show through.
Probably.
My sketch lines are still there a little bit, but I'm gonna go over it with a light gray eyeshadow so it's still there more, especially since you can see it. And then I'm gonna start going in with my colors and just roughly just do a sketch style. Just gonna go back and forth between all the colors to make sure it's balanced. But I'm gonna be going in all with Give Face Cosmetics. I'll read you off all the ones I'm using. Hoochie, Cosplay, this is Flash, Warning, and Ultra. So you can find those on Give Face's website. I follow them on Instagram, so you can use their link too. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna activate time-lapse mode right now. Wow, this is very rainbow. All right, with a fine brush and black paint, we're gonna go over our original sketch that we did one more time, except we're gonna do it more sketchy, or like more of a rougher effect. And then while we still have the black paint out, I'm gonna draw little leopard spots kind of in the forehead area. Maybe some other places, but mostly in the forehead area. So I'm gonna take a dark purple or black and just fill in the rest of my face. Being careful not to go over your sketch lines, because you worked hard on those. Not really. I'm gonna sketch out the rest of the skeletonness. Alright, just like before, we're gonna paint everything we sketched white. Just remember which part is the skeleton, which part is the background, because it's easy to mix the two up. I do it all the time. Now we're going to continue to add color for the rest of the rib cage, just like up top. This is my favorite part, you know, adding the colors. I'm going to be working in sections, by the way, too, for each color. And it helps a lot to use like a designated brush for each color. That way you're not mixing colors. Alright, I'm going to be using colors like this, slightly darker than what I've already laid down. And I'm just going to shade the front, the rib cage where it needs to be shaded, and then I'm going to be filling in the back of the rib cage. Actually, I switched over to the Kat Von D palette, the Kat Von D Fetish palette. It has like all the dark versions of every color. It's like this palette was made for this specific look. They had like a dark green, dark yellow, it said dark blue, and they had purple. I don't know if I said that already. Except pink. Kat Von D, you almost did it. Except pink. I'd use a pink for another color, but I didn't really need that much pink anyway. So, literally, you could use like this whole palette for this look. What we're gonna do next is add like that sketching look that we have up here going. Even adding like some cracks, maybe some spots, add like a little bit of aging, just make it look rough, like a rough sketch. Now I'll be working on my other favorite part of this makeup, which is the leopard spots. Most of it will be concentrated in the middle of the rib cage, may flutter it outwards a little bit. And then just like up with the face, we're gonna fill in the rest of the empty space with dark purple. And then because since I didn't paint arms on, I'm probably gonna do like a drippy effect or something cool on the arms. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my wig on and I think we're done.